In this video, I'll walk you through how to send money abroad with Niyo at zero forex charges. So let's begin. Go to goniyo.com and click on Send Money Abroad in the top bar. You are looking at live exchange rates here and you can select any currency. I'm selecting Japanese yen just for testing. So I put in 100 Japanese yen and click on Send Money Abroad. Now you have to enter your phone number and you'll get an OTP. Please enter the OTP, click on verify, and now you're logged in. If you are a first time user, you would have to enter and confirm your PAN card details. Do that, and on this page again you have to select the currency. I'm again selecting JPY and click on start transfer. Read the terms and conditions and click on agree and continue. On this page you'll see the list of documents you might need, and now select the source of funds. So there is education loan, there can be other source of funds. For easy access, I am selecting education loan for now, but you can also select your source of funds and then select how much money have you transferred this year so far. Is it above 10 lakh or is it below 10 lakh? So clicking on education loan, we click on continue. Now this is the payment summary. You can look at all the charges here. As you can see, the Swift charge and the Forex markup is reimbursed in form of Niyo coins. Niyo coins you can use in the Niyo app to book your flight tickets or visa and many other travel services. Once you have seen the summary, click on continue. If you are transferring with Niyo for the first time, you'll have to do a video KYC with us. This video KYC just for the first time. When you will transfer next time, you won't have to do this step again. So let's get done with your video KYC. Click on start video KYC and then it would start with your Aadhaar KYC via DigiLocker first. So click on proceed here and then click continue. Here you have to enter your Aadhaar card number and click on next. You'll receive an OTP on your Aadhaar registered number. Submit that OTP and submit your DigiLocker PIN. If you don't remember your DigiLocker PIN, search on Google how to reset it. On this page, please ensure to select Aadhaar card and PAN card, the information you want to share with Niyo. Now, you need to have your original PAN card handy with you, and the VKYC process now starts, and the system will ask for a lot of permissions, a location, camera and mic. Give all the permissions and ensure the pop-ups are not blocked, right? Now, an agent from Niyo would connect the call, ask for you to repeat your name and PAN card number. Do as the agent says. Please ensure that you are in a quiet room with a plain background. Then the agent would ask you to show the front and back of your PAN card. Do that and then you'll see the screen that review in progress. Don't end the call. The agent would end the call. After you have done this process, you'll see either this message, KYC is completed. In this case, nothing more to do. You can also see this message that your KYC is incomplete. In this case, please retry. It can be because of many reasons like some other background noise or not clear background or not clear PAN card. You can try as many times as you want. So once you have done your KYC and got the screen that your KYC is complete, you'll now have to wait around an hour for our team to check your documents and verify that it's you. So you can come to the Niyo app or website and check the status. Like you can see on this screen, it's written verification in progress. Once the KYC is done, you will receive a notification from Niyo that your KYC is done, and you will see this screen instead, which shows you green ticks on all three stages. Now we click on continue, and as you can see on this home screen, you can either select the existing payment process like what we were doing for 100 yen, or you can start a new transfer, your choice. So I'm continuing with the 100 yen transfer. Now on this screen you see you got two options to pay. So if the amount is up to 1 lakh rupee, you can pay via UPI. If it is more than 1 lakh, you can pay via net banking. We also have the option of taking money from you via bank transfer. So we can give you our beneficiary details of Niyo Forex and you can transfer funds to that account. That's quite an offline process. Our team reaches out to you if you face an issue with UPI or net banking and get the funds there. So let's see how UPI works. You have to enter a UPI ID. It would show you that it's your name. If it's you, click on continue. Now you'll see an A2 form. A2 form generates on every transaction. Now here click on enter UPI. Your UPI would already be there, and click on securely pay. Now once you click on securely pay here, whatever UPI app you have provided, you would receive a pop-up there. So I have provided my Google Pay. So here in the Google Pay, I can see there is a pop-up from Kanji Forex Private Limited, which is having another name is Niyo Forex Private Limited. I will approve the transaction and the payment is successful. Right now, let's see the other way of paying money, which we were saying is net banking. So if I select net banking, I have to add an account. So I'll enter the account details, IFSC code, and I'll validate the account. Niyo will validate if it's your account only or not. Once the account is validated, you will see the A2 form. As I said, the A2 form is always generated on a new transaction. Now you click on pay via net banking. It would show you the account you have added. Here you can add multiple accounts, like you can add your HDFC account, you can add your ICICI account, you can add 3, 4, any account. Your money can be in any of the accounts and you can pay from here. Select the account, it will take you to that bank's net banking. Now enter your net banking credentials, your login ID, password, and then you will receive an OTP. Enter the OTP and your payment will be done. If you face any issue during this process, rest assured, in the working hours, somebody from our team will reach out to you and help you with completing the payment. Now after the payment is done, you can see the status on the screen. As you can see, it's written money received. In a while, you will also see document verified, and if all the documents are okay, we'll go ahead and remit the funds and you'll see that process completed. If in case we find there is any pendency on any document, our team will reach out to you. So it would be a seamless experience for you. Thank you for watching. Use Niyo to save more on your international money transfers.